When Van Meter came to us, they were projecting 35 to 40% energy savings, and in actuality, we're getting 50% of energy savings, which is huge.
My name is Ben Griffin, and I work out of the Van Meter Davenport office as a lighting specialist. So the city of East Moline reached out to a contractor partner of ours, Tri-City Electric, expressing some needs to update some of their lighting between different facilities. They had mentioned they did not have a lot of capital budget to help make these projects happen. So we worked closely with our contractor partner Tri-City to put together a program called Flip Switch, which allows us to help those customers who don't have the capital money available and be able to finance lighting projects for them and utilize their estimated maintenance and energy savings to repay the project back.
Hi, I'm Dave Lambrecht with the City of East Moline, and I'm the Director of Maintenance Services. I mean, working with them and seeing what they could do for us was just a blessing, you know. So they talked about the warranty and the maintenance of everything that we wouldn't have to do pretty much hands-on for about 4 or 5 years.
The City of East Moline ended up being a fantastic partner for this program, just for the fact of some of the budget issues that the state of Illinois is having. We were able to provide them a service and get them new and improved lighting without them needing to have that capital budget. We were able to finance the project for them and allow them to repay that project through anticipated maintenance and energy savings.
The shop itself, we had the high-pressure sodium, and those lights were big and cumbersome, and they were constantly, as they were getting old, they would start yellowing, you know, until they went out. And they would go off, and it'd take about 10 minutes approximately for them to kick back on again. So if, you know, we had a power outage or somebody accidentally hit the switch, it'd take 10 minutes before we could have power again, as far as lighting, should I say. And when Van Meter came in and they were carrying these little boxes, I was thinking, like, how's this going to work compared to these big lights that we had? And once they put them up there, I mean, I was totally amazed to the quality that we had and the lighting. I mean, our motor pool department is just had nothing but, you know, praises, and they could see actually what they're working on, and just the overall productivity and the safety of them working in the shop is just totally increased.
We had a wide variety of different lighting products to work through. In the office space, we had fluorescent 2x4 troffers that we converted to new LED troffers. Here in the maintenance garage, we had HID high-pressure sodium fixtures that we converted to LED fixtures with occupancy sensors. And then around the perimeter of the building, there were some HID wall packs that we converted to LED wall packs.
Beacon Harbor Parkway, we have approximately 131 poles, and it was like a never-ending cycle. We'd start about 2 months, and by the time we had the manpower and reached to the other end, we were turning around and have to come back again and start all over again to replace the lights. And with these new lights in there, in the last 5-6 months, we haven't had no worries, you know, and I'm just amazed on how durable and everything that they've lasted so far.
My name's Megan Peterson. My title is Finance Director for the City of East Moline. I can speak to the maintenance garage because this one's been done the longest, but the electric bill has cut in half from before the project was done to the project being done, and it's equating to about $1,500 to $2,000 a month in savings.
The light color right now is like from the LEDs that we have from Van Meter is crisp and clear, and it's like bright. I mean, you can't really look at it directly versus the yellow tingy lights that we had from the high pressure sodium, and that the light quality that they put out is nowhere near what this is here.
It does spruce up the look of the city a lot. The lights are very bright, see much better. For the most part, we're not affecting our budget. It's a wash for 5 years. Then after that 4 or 5 years, we've got those savings directly into our budget.
So any type of end user out there, we can handle the Flip Switch program in entirety. We can cover the material. We will handle the proposal as far as what the material is needed, as well as set up the installation to have all that material installed.
It was a huge savings to us, saving grace to us, because, like I said, there's no way we could have done this without them, you know, doing the project, and then we're reimbursing them basically over the allotted time period.
Told them what we wanted, and they listened, and they recommended, and I listened, and it was pretty much a deal, and it was like easy. Couldn't get no simpler.
It's a wonderful feeling to be able to offer a service that allows for improvements that may not have otherwise been able to be done. Your increase in productivity, your increase in safety, all that comes along with the energy and maintenance savings that they're already experiencing as well.